Hello, followers of this channel. In this video we will see formula vs function in Excel. A formula is an equation designed by a user in Excel. When a user types an equals sign in a cell, they are starting to create a formula. For examples, equals 4 plus 3, or equals A3 plus C9, etc. While a function is a predefined calculation in the spreadsheet application. When a user types an equals sign followed by a predefined set of letters, or clicks on the FX button in the formula bar, a function begins to be implemented. For examples, equals sum under bracket, A3, A27, equals average under bracket, F4, F8, etc. In Excel, a function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a specific order. Functions can be used to perform simple or complex calculations, such as finding the sum, average, count, maximum value, and minimum value for a range of cells. The basic syntax for a function is an equals sign, smiley face, the function name, and one or more arguments. Arguments contain the information you want to calculate and can refer to both individual cells and cell ranges. They must be enclosed within parentheses. A formula in Excel is an expression that calculates values in a cell or range of cells. Formulas always start with an equal sign, smiley face, and are made up of operands, such as cell references or constants, that are calculated in a specific order. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel.